So today I'm going to test Grok bot live and see how it's going to be. I never used it before, but yeah. Let's download it and let's test it. This is XAI documentation. What makes Grok bot different? It has a computer of its own. Each bot runs persistent cloud virtual machine with a browser, file system, and terminal. It can use connectors MCP and were available and computer use for app and website without clean API. Well, it means like you give it a browser and you log in with your credentials or with your login details, and it can use your account. For example, if I log in into my X account, it can actually go and browse and look at the informations and report back to me. Oh, I could log it into my YouTube and say, hey, go and find me a hot topic I need to talk about. It is very easy to get started. Create bot, message it, and grant access as needed. No workflow builder or prior bot setup required. Well, it's a lot of info here. It coordinates independently with other bots. So it mean what I understand is you got to create like many different bots, and they will message each other and work together as a team. Just like when you work on Cloud Code, they have something called agent team. So agent team is just a team of agent. They work together in the same task, not same task, in the same job, but they divide that job into pieces of task, and each one of them work. For example, I want to create. I want to ask my cloud agent, hey, I want to find a product to sell. So launch a bunch of sub agents, five. One of them find a product. One of them debate on which product to sell, and then after they found the product, one of them create the creative, one of them write the copy, one of them create the product page, one of them create the email marketing. Yes, I think this is well the same. I don't know, but it might be the same. All of your bots use the same persistent cloud computer. They share files, browse sessions, and apps login, which make handoff possible without repeating setup. I already downloaded this app, but I never use it. So let me just go and start using it. So get it started. Let's get it started by install the desktop app, open Grok but access, and choose download to your computer. Okay, I already downloaded. I'm just going to log in. So Grok bot and see. I downloaded, but I never used it. So yeah, I'm going to see. So I created a bot here called a Dell, but it doesn't have anything. So I'm going to create a new bot, and I will name it maybe, I don't know. I want to create a thumbnail for my YouTube video, for this YouTube video. So I'm going to name this. What should I name it? Hey Mahmoud, I'm new but good. No, go away. Yeah, here it is. I'm going to thumb creator title. You are my thumbnail creators for my YouTube video. YouTube videos. So I'm going to give it a description. You are a professional thumbnail creator. You create a high quality thumbnails that grab attention for YouTube videos. I want you to create thumbnails for my YouTube videos. Don't create random thumbnails. The image use Grok APIs to create the images from my reference image. I'm going to plug in my credential here. So you create, whenever you want to create a thumbnail, use my image as a reference and recreate them with AI. Never use random images, and always use the skills inside my folders. So this is a voice detection. I'm going to use this, just speak and then going to create. So first of all, thumb creator it is. Make YouTube style thumb social convert. YouTube videos, yes, YouTube videos. So I gave it a name, I gave it a title, and I gave it a description. So I'm going to plug in my GitHub repo, I have a content OS like this one. So this is my content OS. I use it with Cloud Code, and I'm going to download this. I'll plug in with that bot and see how he's going to create. So these thumbnails were created with this agent called. This is the video I'm planning to make about finding a product and creating a product page with Claude. So I asked ChatGPT or Codex, hey, go and create a thumbnail for this video, and it went and create these thumbnails. So I want to ask to download or plug in this repo and ask my bot, hey, go and create thumbnails for the Grok bot video. So let's see how that's going to go. So this is Grok bot. I'm going to go to plugin. I'm going to search for GitHub, I guess. Yeah, GitHub, and then add GitHub. We need GitHub access token. I'm going to get my access token from GitHub. So GitHub, generate token. I'm then going to copy this and paste it there. I'm not sure if this is the correct method to give it or not. So there we go, add GitHub, and then yeah, we granted access to our account, our GitHub account. So I'm going to give it so I think we have already connected, but how can I add a repo from here? Hey, I want to create a thumbnail for this video. Use my content OS GitHub repo and the skills in there to create the thumbnail. So I'm going to test it to see if it's actually going to create a thumbnail or not, or if it's actually connected or not. At that time, I'm going to create another bot and maybe name it, I don't know. Let me just edit this bot, the first one I've created earlier this day. So Dale, you are my personal assistant. You are responsible for all my inboxes, my calendar, everything I do, my YouTube video, my YouTube channels. You are giving me brief every morning what I need to do and to-do list about my morning. You check out my inbox every single day and my calendar and what I want to do, the videos I want to record on my school and my instant outreach, Mizan AI, every project I'm working on. Hey Dale, how are you doing? So the video thumbnail creator come back. Found your GitHub repo sharing personal OS starter and skill repos. No, the video I want to create is, the thumbnail I want you to create is a thumbnail about how to use Grok bot. So this one came back and say, hey, pretty good. I'm setting up morning brief now, inbox calendar for video, school, outreach, and AI project. I'll need every morning. GitHub is already connected. I still need your Gmail, Google Calendar, and Notion sign in. So I'm going to add my Gmail. So just add my Gmail like that, and then it's going to ask me, I think, it's added. How? Let's see. And then I'm going to add my Google Calendar as well, MCP, and then Notion, where I manage all my project from there. It's also added. I have added this earlier this morning. And what else I have? I'm using. Let's see what another tool I could add instantly. If there's an instantly. The instantly is just for. No, there's no instantly. I'm going to add Vercel. And then what other tool I'm using? If there's any YouTube. YouTube. No, there's no YouTube. Want me to connect Gmail? Yes. I'm going to authorize. Yeah, it's going to open a window here just to authorize my connection. So yeah, continue. It's connecting my Notion through MCP, and then authorize. Notion is authorized. I'm going to authorize my Gmail. Open. I'm going to use my account. It's Cursor. So does that mean Cursor is acquired by XAI? Is it? So GrokPod is, I don't know. I think Cursor was acquired by OpenAI, not OpenAI, XAI, Elon Musk. So I connected my Google Calendar as well. Google Calendar. I'm using choose that Google Calendar. Select all and go. Yeah, authorization completed. So as you can see, it's working inside the computer here. It has its own browser. Everything is set up. So my thumbnail creator has come back. I connected all my tools. So I'm going to go back to my thumbnail creator. allow Grok and bot to run command. So always allow. So it's running command on my computer. Let's see how it's going to go. I can't see content OS repo on your connected GitHub. Mahmoud Hussein, paste the GitHub. Okay, I'm going to get the GitHub repo and then paste it here. So I have my content operating system. By the way, if you want to get this, if you are making YouTube videos or making content, I've created this content OS repo where all the skills about video preparations, outline, everything is here. So I'm going to paste this URL. Hi, this is my content OS repo here. So I don't think this repo has all the skills. So I'm going to commit all the skills I've generated this week. So I'm going to ask it, hey, my content OS has some repos that have some edit that's not committed to GitHub. I want to commit all the change in the last couple of weeks or days. The text was not pasted. Copy and paste here. Let's see. Wow, we are cooking today. A lot of work. Well, it's not a lot of work, but yeah. Seemed to be fun. Allow, just bypass fucking permission. Let it go. Hey, not Rapio, but rather Content OS. Rapio is my store. So let's see my other bot how it's doing here. So Dale has come back. Sunday is clear, nothing on your calendar today at 24 hours. 3 things. Chat-based, oh, okay. I missed my payment through that platform. College enrollment to Thursday, 21st of August. I have an enrollment in college, but I don't think I'm going to enroll in college. I'm going to drop out of college. So I was studying cybersecurity. Last year, I studied the first year, the level 1. But I want to move to level 2, but I don't want it because when I go to college, I feel like they are from Stone Age. They're studying things that studying things that I think is very old. I don't know how to put that, but it's just weird. So also on Vinted, you have an offer for Stanley mug, £18 versus, okay. I don't find anything named Instant Outreach. Okay, can you pull my content OS or my YouTube analytic and tell me what do I need to change? I don't know if it have access to my YouTube or not, but my content OS in my GitHub repo have access to it. It must be also have access to it. So let's see. Got your face photos, generating your so yeah, it got my face, and you will see that his browser, this is his browser. It went to this GitHub repo and it's going to clone my face. You see, I have my YouTube video there, everything. So yeah, let them cooking. So they'll come back. No YouTube connector, so I am pulling the numbers from studio, sign there. Okay, sign on to YouTube and okay, it's open a browser and ask me to sign in. Take over and I'm going to sign into my YouTube. So let's see what the thumbnail agent is doing there. It's creating 3 thumbnails. So it's definitely not using the skill as intended. So I'm going to prompt her to use better skills. Use icon from bot icon. So let's see, waiting for the signing in. So I'm going to prompt this. Hey, you haven't used the proper skills. So I want to create 3 thumbnails for this video I'm recording right now. I don't know if you know I'm recording a video about I'm testing Grok bot live. So I want you to edit this thumbnails using the Grok bot icons and make them 3Ds. And I noticed that all the 3 thumbnails are same concept. Me sitting in front of a laptop, and then no, I want 3 different concepts, not all one concept. So the video is about testing Grok new bot. All right. So hopefully it's going to edit these thumbnails and make me something new. So this is signing in, but still not yet. So let's try another way. Use your phone or tablet to get security. Tap yes on your phone or tablet. Tapping on my other phone. So 25. Yeah, we are finally in the metrics. Go. So I am done. I'm going to use my YouTube video this channel with 99 subscribers. So let it go to my channel. I will say I'm done. Hey, I'm done. I'm just signing into my YouTube studio. You're right, those three were the same desk shot. I will pull the Grok icon, make them 3D, and rebuild 3 different concepts for the live test. Pulling official Grok mark so I can turn it into 3D instead. Alright, it's going to pull the Grok icon and going to edit these thumbnails. Let's see. You are in pulling the numbers right now. So it's going to pull the numbers from my YouTube analytic, and it will tell me what do I need to do. So what else I can test this with? Can I test it with my Shopify store? No, I will leak my credentials, and also it takes a lot of time to sign in. What else I'm doing every single day? Okay, I got it. I want to create another bot for sending DMs on my, oh my goodness, it uses a Grok. Oh my goodness, I'm going to search for Grok bot icon. I'm going to download this. Oh, I'm turning back to my Cloud Code. So I'm going to attach a file, go to download, and then Grokbot icon. Hey, I noticed that you are using a fucking Grok. I want to use this icon I have uploaded right now. You definitely don't know my skill yet. If I give this prompt to Claude, from the first time, it's going to create the same. So let me just show you what I am talking about. I'm going to give this exact prompt to my codex here. This is codex ChatGPT, and I will say, hey, there's no folder yet. Create a new folder called Grokbot test live, and then create 3 thumbnail concept. Launch sub-driven agent to do that. So everyone create 1 thumbnail. Use the Grokbot icon I have downloaded there on download. So this is for codex, and I'm going to copy this and open a new, oh maybe, yeah, open a new chat for Cloud Code, and I will say use Grok API to create my images. So fucking hell, we are cooking. So now Claude is creating thumbnails, and then Codex is creating the same thumbnails, and then also a Grok API, Grok bot is creating also the thumbnails. So let me just see. It's going to be like 9 thumbnails. I'm going to only take 3 to test on this video. You might be hooked of one of these. So Grok come back again, and it's also still shitty. So I'm going to tell her that the text is covering the icon. Hey Grok, I noticed that these thumbnails, some of them, the icons is covered by the text. I want to edit them, and the last one, watch live, my image is very small and it very look AI-ish. So the middle one, hands off, look pretty good, but the icon is covering my hands, and also the text is covering the icon itself. So I want to re-edit all of both 3 of them. Make sure the padding, the padding, everything is perfectly aligned. And also don't use this icon I've downloaded. I noticed that it has a background white. Download another icon, the exact icon, but without the white background. All right? So this is how I actually talk to my AI agent every single day. Just talk to them with this. So I don't know what they'll come up with. It's still working on my analytics. So this, I guess, is take a lot of time. So let's see. It's cooking. You see, go to my analytic and look how many views I have got in the last 28 days. No, it's checking this video by video. So yeah, it's going to report back to me just in a few minutes. Let's see what Claude come back with. So I think it's create a video here somewhere. So Grok how to, yeah, with these thumbnails. It's saying 3 distinct concepts briefly. Okay, I noticed that you're working at the same folder as Grok. Don't look at these thumbnails were created. Go and create your own version. Use the skills in the folder. Previously, I have edited them. So create new distinct thumbnails. So decision I recommend this message because okay, I'm going to give it these paths. Hey, the folder is already here. Just go and create 3 thumbnails. Use the image built in ChatGPT and 3 thumbnails. Don't look at the thumbnails inside this folder. Just go and create yours. So I'm I'm literally cooking. I'm telling Claude don't use the thumbnail that Grok is building, and I'm telling Codex don't use the thumbnail that Claude is building. So and all of them work at the same folder. So Grok created this folder called Grok How To Thumbnails, inside of which the first thumbnails created, and I said, hey, these thumbnails are not the thumbnails I want to test, and then it went and create new. So let's see how it's going to go. So this is Grok, but the thumbnail come back is still hands off the keeper scene. I'm cutting the white box of icon. Okay. I don't know how long it's going to take, but it's kind of wild. Do I need to trust this AI to log in the browser with my credentials and then trust it to go and do things like that? I don't think this is kind of trusty. So I think the Cloud Code and Codex is a little bit safer because they are using MCP or API, but Grokbot is using a direct browser, your direct credential. So you log in and you give it the browser and it's going to use it like a normal human. So if I want, I don't know, if I want to do shopping, if I want to do anything. So let's see all the tools I can plug in these tools. So I can also add my Google Drive. What else? Appify for scribing. I could add X. So there's Amazon. Is this Amazon shopping, or all of these are just Amazon AWS? Clay, this is for sales. Zoom. Superbase, Vercel. Okay, these are the tools I've connected. So I'm waiting for my agent to come back. None of them come back. Oh, this one come back. No, YouTube connector said, okay, the last 28 days you have 8K views, 81.5 hours plus 44 subscribers. You are at 99, only one away from 100. Okay, it's all accurate data and it's all come back with screenshots. Let me say, hey, I want you to create a nice clean HTML dashboard, not just give me text and a screenshot. So like an artifact, but with actual visuals and nodes, not just text. Let's see how it's going to come back. So the Grok API come back again with a little bit better thumbnails, but still I could improve it. So this one is still need to be improved. The Grok API or the Grok icon is a little farther. So I noticed that the hand of thumbnail, the Grok icon is far away from my hand and it's a little bit smaller. And also the third one, watch live, is also Grok icon is smaller than it used to be. So I need the hand of the icon to be a little bit bigger and just on my hand like this. When I open my hand, should be on my hand and Grok actually look like I'm holding that icon. So go and re-edit them. So it's certainly not perfect from the first shot. It's giving me a lot of different ones. So I might use this one of these images. Okay, I'm going to tell him, hey, and also don't forget you have added all the images with kind of same concept. You completely drop one of images that were while I'm using computer. So I want one of these thumbnails to be while I'm sitting on the desk using the computer, and there should be a Grok icon. So the thumbnail that called one message YouTube thumbnail, the first thumbnail you have created, the 2 of the 3, I want to use this one. So go and edit this one with Grok icon. So sometimes the transcription is not perfect, but yeah, it's just going to go. Building you a proper dashboard with chart and notes. So it's going to build me a proper dashboard. Okay, that's cool. What broke 99% of your audience is new. Regular viewers are 2 people on short and 3 on long. Fucking hell. That's embarrassing. Let's see, and then compare them. Compare the thumbnail result with Codex. I believe Codex is going to build the best thumbnails. So let's see. This is Codex. Come back with images. This is image of these paths. Hey, can you create your own folder inside this folder, please? With the thumbnail you have created. So I just want to distinguish which result is from which one. So I see all of them dump it at the same folder. I want them to separate their work. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This was from Codex. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This was the Codex work. Well, it's looked good. Not that bad. This one used my image. I took over. I'm going to use this one definitely on one of my tests. This look AI-ish. Pass off, delete. I don't know. I'm just going to use this one maybe, and maybe this one, but no, this one maybe. So I'm going to use 1 and 3 from Codex. So let's see what Cloud Code come up with. So it created a separate folder. I said create the same folder in the same folder, but it went and created a separate folder. Anyway, as you can see, the asset uses Grok API icon. Why I'm saying Grok API all the video long? Because it's bringing back the desk one message shot with Grok icon, putting it bigger one. Okay, coming back. I don't know why this is taking so long. It's just a plain HTML. So it created a routine for himself. Morning brief. No. It's just rename himself. URL Mahmoud Hussein morning brief. Each run compile a short brief. Send a message. Keep it type. So it's look very simple. So let's see what we have in settings. In settings, we could change the theme, system, usage, and billing. All right. By the way, I'm on a free plan. This not a free plan, is a trial. I think I'm going to end to hit the session limit if I'm still abusing it like this. First, there's not too much. I can use this on my phone as well. Oh my goodness. Grokbot on your phone. Oh, I don't know that. That's wild. I'm going to download this on my phone if I finish recording this video. So let's see. I'm just waiting for Claude to finish to compare them. Which one is going to be the best? So these were the results from Claude Code. The first image, the first one, the second one, and the third one. So I don't like this one, and I don't like this one. This one look a little bit good. It's not look AI-ish, but this definitely look AI-ish. It's look rubbish. My image is not like me. A lot of text going on here. And this also look AI-ish, look rubbish. So I'm going to use this one from Claude Code. And from Codex, I might use this one. And also I might use this one out this one. I don't know. Just waiting for Grok to finish to see if it's actually live up to the hype. Holding pause in nudging icon door. We are out of usage. So can we upgrade to Ultra? How much we are going to pay? Holy fuck, no, I'm not going to fucking pay that. So as you can see, it's pretty good. It's pretty wild. So if I just went one task, I could have finished, but as you can see, I have given it 2 tasks and I was iterating over and over. That's why I ran out of usage. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it useful. If you do, don't forget to like and come and join my free school community here. Come and join AI Operator Lab, where I share everything I learn about AI, how to learn AI, and how to make money with AI. And if you want an AI agent deployed into your business, come to Mizan AI. These are AI voice agent I've built. Chat with my AI agent here. She will book you in. We will have a free discovery call where I map out where AI can be deployed into your website or into your business. And then we are going to build the system and then deploy it into your business, and your business will grow and flourish. So thank you for watching and peace.